Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to discuss a full guide on how to learn hacking. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So to begin your journey into ethical hacking, focus on building a strong foundation in these key areas that I'm going to discuss. You have programming, right? Learn languages like Python, C, and JavaScript. Python is especially useful for writing hacking scripts and tools. In regards to networking, you're going to want to understand TCP and /IP, right? OCI model, common protocols, and network architecture. Tools like Wireshark can help you analyze network traffic. And then when it comes to operating systems, you're going to want to gain proficiency in Linux, right? Linux is really ascending, right? Especially security-focused distributions like Kali Linux, right? Learn the basic command line interface and basic system administrations. When it comes to web technologies, study HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL to understand how web applications work and their potential vulnerabilities. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video so far, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. So, the core hacking skills, right? Once you have the fundamentals, start developing specific hacking skills like penetration testing, right? Learn methodologies, right? And tools for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in systems and networks. You have cryptography, right? Study encryption/decryption techniques used to secure and break communications. In regards to social engineering, understand how attackers manipulate human psychology to gain unauthorized access. Reverse engineering, learn to analyze malware and understand how software works at a low level. Okay, now you're gonna also want some hands-on experience, hands-on practice, practical learning, right? The best way to develop hacking skills is to get into the details. Use these things right here, right? Platforms like Hack the Box, VulnerHub, Pentester Lab to practice on intentionally vulnerable systems are good. You can participate in Capture the Flag competitions to test your skills against others. You can set up your own lab environment with virtual machines to experiment safely. Consider enrolling in a structured ethical hacking course or boot camp for guided learning. Now, continuous hacking goes like this. Hacking is a field that requires constant learning, right? You're gonna want to stay up to date on the latest vulnerabilities, the exploits, and security trends, right? Join hacking communities and forums to learn from others and share knowledge, right? Read security blogs, research papers, and books to deepen your understanding, right? Hackers are always on the move, and they always find something new, right? Something. So, there's all kinds of resources out there. You have Dark Reading, that's a platform. So I would look into that. You're gonna want to practice regularly to keep your skills sharp, right? Here's some ethical considerations, however. Remember to always practice hacking ethically and legally. Only hack systems you have explicit permission to test. Respect privacy and confidentiality, right? Use your skills to help improve security, not cause harm. So you can develop the skills needed to become an ethical hacker, right? With the things that I just talked about. Remember, the learning process is ongoing. So you're gonna wanna stay curious and keep exploring new areas of cybersecurity. Now, there are some tools, right? We talked about it, but let's get a little bit in depth of them, right? If you want to get into the network analysis realm, you're going to want to use Wireshark, right? That's the essential network protocol analyzer for examining network traffic and understanding how networks operate. Nmap, right? That's another one in the networking sphere, right? It's a powerful network scanner used to discover host services and vulnerabilities on a network. Now, if you want to go into the web application testing sphere, right? Tools like Burp Suite, which is a comprehensive platform for web application security testing. The free community edition is great for beginners. OWASP Zap, that's another one, right? It's an open source web application security scanner that's user friendly for newcomers. Now, in the vulnerability assessment, you have OpenVAS, which is an open source vulnerability scanner that can find remote vulnerabilities in networks and systems. You have Nessus, right? While it is a paid version, the free Nessus Essentials is excellent for learning vulnerability scanning. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, please hit that subscribe button and the like button if you like this content, if you learned something new, if you want more of this content on my channel, please let me know. And also, please comment. I want to know your opinions on what I discussed. So thank you. See you on the next video.